Ditch the dead wood and create a living fence, privacy and wildlife included. Hey there, nature nerds and privacy seekers! Tired of staring at that boring old fence? Ready to upgrade to something that's not only beautiful but also good for the planet? Then you, my friend, need a living fence! Forget those lifeless wooden or vinyl barriers. Living fences, also known as green screens or natural hedges, are the eco-friendly answer to your privacy prayers. They're like the VIP section for your backyard, but for plants. Why should you ditch the dead wood and embrace the green? Let me break it down. Natural privacy. Dense foliage creates a visual barrier so effective you'll feel like you're living in your own little world. Nosy neighbors? Gone. Random passers-by? Poof! Wildlife wonderland. Attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, turning your yard into a buzzing, fluttering paradise. Birds will thank you for the shelter and snacks too. Eco-friendly superstar. Living fences are carbon dioxide absorbing, air purifying, soil erosion reducing champions. They're basically tiny superheroes for the environment. Cost-effective champion. Sure, there's an initial investment, but over time living fences require less maintenance than their wooden counterparts. Think of all the money you'll save on fence paint and repairs. Noise-canceling ninja. Thick plant layers act as a sound barrier, muffling unwanted noise. Say goodbye to barking dogs and loud lawnmowers. Now let's talk plants. Choosing the right plants is key to living fence success. Here are a few categories to get you started. Fast-growing evergreens. These are your year-round privacy providers. Arborvitae, Leyland cypress, and holly are your go-to guys. Holly even comes with built-in security features, spiky leaves, flowering and pollinator-friendly plants. Add some pizzazz with lilac, forsythia, or rose of Sharon. These beauties will attract pollinators and make your yard smell amazing. Climbing and vining plants. Clematis, honeysuckle, and ivy are perfect for trellises or existing fences. They'll climb their way to privacy paradise. Edible and multi-purpose plants get the best of both worlds with blackberry and raspberry bushes, thorny and delicious, grapevines, shade, privacy, and fruit, or hazelnut shrubs, nuts and dense growth. Okay, let's get our hands dirty. Here's the basic how-to for planting your living fence. Choose wisely. Consider your climate, soil, and desired height. Measure and space. Give your plants room to grow. Space them 2 to 4 feet apart. Prep the soil. Loosen the soil and add compost. Think of it as a welcome gift for your new plants. Install support trellises for climbers, stakes for young trees. Don't leave them hanging. Water and mulch. Keep the soil moist and add mulch to keep weeds at bay. Prune regularly. A little trim keeps things tidy and encourages growth. Ready for some design inspiration? Mixed hedges. Combine different plants for a diverse and dynamic look. Layered approach, taller plants in the back, shorter ones in the front. It's like a plant opera. Seasonal variety. Choose plants that bloom at different times for year-round color. Wildlife-friendly features. Add birdhouses or bee hotels to make your yard a wildlife hotspot. So there you have it. Everything you need to create your own living fence. It's a win-win for you, your backyard, and the planet. Now go forth and grow.